a flat rock standing up, looking like a fish. You guys can see the eyes, fin, and face. We do call that Nemo. Others prefer 3-story dory. I prefer that name because that rock is standing at 3 stories tall. With that being said, the tram only owns the buildings on bottom, the towers, the cables, the cart, and the 2 buildings on top. Everything else is national forest. The name of the national forest is called Table, which is buffalo with carpet. What that means is that you guys can hike up here, measure the rocks, and tell me what you find. And I have one question. Once again, on this left side over here, you guys will see a stack of rocks. Over here on the left side. I cannot see it right now, but if you can help the others, if you do see that stack of rocks. That stack of rocks is actually one solid rock and it stands at 7 stories tall. Once again, you can't hike up here if you don't believe me. If you guys look across this right side right over here on this whole side of the mountain, the reason why it looks like a pile of gold, that's because back in 1964 we actually did modify that side of the mountain with dynamite. The reason why we did that was to prevent making a 3rd tower. We only have 2 towers. And once again, as you guys look around, you guys will start to see some dead trees. These dead trees are here because of not a forest fire, but a bark beetle infestation around 2003 to 2006. Around that time, New Mexico was suffering from a severe drought. So, bark beetles mainly feed on dead trees, plants, and bushes, and these trees did not get enough water to survive. We were not the only state affected by this. We also had Arizona, Nevada, Colorado, Oklahoma, and Texas. Last time I checked, these bark beetles are on the way to Washington.
Let's go to TJ Maxx, buy something in the hot river. You like it, TJ Maxx? Walmart. This way going down.
As of right now, we are going across Tower 2. Once you come across Tower 2, you can raise your hands and scream, or scream in general. If you are afraid of heights or unsure, you will find out very soon. Again, at Tower 2, there will be a slight swing and sway. Tower 2 stands at 80 feet tall, with the elevation up here being at 8,000. As you can see, there are no trails, back roads, or surface roads. That's because we make Tower 2 a little helicopter. 2,000 trips down and back to make Tower 2. Oh, awesome. As you guys can see on the left side, we're going across cabin 1. We are cabin 2. Once you come across them, once again, that will mark the halfway point. Please wave at them. Do not.
You can see it. 爸爸呀，爸爸别吃呀。是大林山对不对？This is a maximum. Oh my god, before Cole sit down, you're scared? I'm more scared.
When was it coming out? Taken out? Oh, no. When I went, it was in Make your way up there. Yeah, the new one now was not. They were still
Oh my goodness, they
yeah, I believe the new canal, well, the new canal was no problem. Because they needed space because too many cements.
It's been too hot. You know what changes?
Well, when I passed it again,
This is pretty cool. I had a friend who did that. And it was on his way back to the river and driving like so different. Street signs. By the time I went that far,